Hi, everybody, and welcome to Off the Ramp. This is Kat, the founder and creator of Off the Ramp, here to show you how to navigate the site. So we'll start just on the home page with the main menu right at the top there. And this is a shortcut to take you to adding a listing. And right next to it here, you'll see your username, which when you hover over it can take you straight to your settings, or you can sign out. More options will avail itself below once you've created your first listing. And then on the left of it over here, you'll find is the Off the Ramp social. When you hover over it, you'll have your drop down menu, which can take you to the ramp, your profile, where you can set up your social profile, the groups that you would like to sign up to or have signed up to, and as well as the entire network if you would like to find a friend. On the left here is where when you hover, you'll see you can go to your actual account, your cart page, and your checkout page of the services packages which you have purchased. And if you'd like to see the packages, simply click on service packages and it will take you straight to that page where you can purchase your package. And then on the left there is another window where you can actually click through to the listings. And then on the left here is where you'll find Proco, which is our amazing project management tool. Now, let's further go through the home page so you can see exactly what we're about. We tell you all about the user types that we have, the 3 different user types, with the CTAs there leading up for you to sign up or go straight to a package that you'd like to purchase. A little write-up on what exactly it is that we do. Then we have another nice section telling you a lot more about Proco and the amazing tools that it has. And then we also have another nice section of Off the Ramp telling you a lot about the social platform, which can really help you connect and broaden your network in the industry. And then our last section over here is another shortcut to the listings that we have in these 3 categories, which we have one more, which is the talent, crew, and creatives, in short, TCC. Lastly, we have the bottom banner of the page, which if you look here, you click, you can actually go to the home page if you ever want to have a shortcut to the home page. And then you'll have your VIP sections, which will take you to your vendors directly, which is everybody who has a listing. So mainly your talent TCC agencies and your independent TCC, as well as the listings page. You can go through here, and as well as the Proco and packages as well. Then in the middle, we have our socials, where you can actually go to our socials and subscribe, follow us on our socials. And then we also have our essentials page here, our essential pages here, which is our about page, terms and conditions, privacy policy, as well as our support if you need support. And then right at the bottom, we also have just repeated that just to make sure that you guys don't miss it. And then on the bottom right hand corner, you always find our friendly chatbot, Jarvis, who's here to help you whenever you need help with anything. So that's the amazing Off the Ramp. Thank you guys so much for joining us, and we will be going in depth on a lot of the pages in the next following videos, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys in the next video.